Alright, Frank, here's your 1/18 scale Maisto Camaro. I think this is a 2010s? Yeah, 2010 model year. Again, a lot of the other years were the same body style. Anyway, this is actually identified as a 2010. You kind of let me have free reins on this. You said you know what I like. So okay, that's what I've done to it. You did ask for an interior work light for the laptop, which I did. Also, with these Camaros, I rearranged some things. The shotgun and M4 are located in the back seat on these, in between the front seats, so you can't really see them. So I always remove those, add those to the front floorboard. Usually where, well, I say usually, most of the time it's where those are located in a car patrol unit. The MDT, the monitor, I removed from the dash. It sits down low. I removed it from the dash and set it up higher. It would be more of an angle as to where the officer would actually be able to see it. You can see that there through the door. What else? Inside, added a red and blue strobe in each side rear window. Red and blue strobe light bar. I went and added some antennas for you. Strobe tail lights with a wig-wag pattern with those. I will change your license plate out. I just now realized I didn't do that. 6 LEDs on the rear package tray, 3 red and 3 blue, and those have a triple strobe pattern with those as well. Swinging on around here to the side, again you'll see your strobe in the rear window. Of course, you'll really see it when we turn it on here. In the front, I added flashing headlights. You have amber steady parking lights, and then a red and blue strobe, a red and a blue strobe in your bottom, your auxiliary driving lights. As far as the battery goes, as with a real Camaro, the trunk's too small on this to put hardly anything in there. So the battery is located under what would be called the motor, since it's just a flat piece of plastic. Did a little trimming on the bottom side of it. Take a little screwdriver or something and push to the side of this here, and it'll lift out. It does have a little bit of a snap to it, but it will come out fairly easily. And then underneath there is your 9-volt battery, so easy enough to change. And then it just slides right back in. Of course, you got to put it in there correctly, and then it'll pop back in place. So easy way to change the battery, so I have to take the car apart. And again, like I said, nothing's fitting in that trunk. Not much at all. I did add some antennas for you. They may come off in shipping. This top one will probably have to come off in, to fit it back in the box. Like I said, I'll add you a license plate on the back for this too. As for the power or the switches, I have a white switch right there. It's your power switch, and then this one over here is for your sirens. So we'll go ahead and turn our siren sounds. Go ahead and turn this main power on. Again, you see your steady or amber park lights. Flashing headlights. Cover those up a little bit. You can see the red and blue strobes a little bit better. Again, those are a triple strobe. Have a wig-wag pattern to them. Red and blue strobe light bar on the roof. Looks white, thanks to my camera and large overhead shop light. Amber light on the interior, illuminating it a little bit, so the officer can do his work. Rear window, again 6 LEDs across there, triple strobes. You get 3 different patterns with those. Well, my camera almost picks up the blues. And then same thing on the tail lights. You have triple strobe on each side. Well, it's turned out really well. And then another red and blue strobe in the side rear window. Open this side up here. Again, you can see the gun, or the shotgun and M4 where I place those in the floorboard there. Kind of messes my camera up with that flashlight. But anyway, you can see your guns there. Then go ahead and paint the microphones in there as well. There's 2 microphones mounted to the dash. They're just black like the plastic the interior, so I added a little white to those to make those stand out a little bit more. So make them look more like the Motorola that would probably be in there. The siren, same 4-tone siren. I'll go over it real quick. I ain't going to let it play all the... I'm not going to let it play the entire time just because of the fact that first off it's loud and it's the same siren. So we'll go through those sounds real quick. And you can press the beginning lock in a different tone. anyway, so I appreciate the order. Sorry about this one taking so long, but there's a lot of confusion going on with it, and like I said, obviously I've had some things going on my end too. So nothing better than some excitement in your life. But anyway, I'll leave the antennas on. Like they may make it there. They should be fine. Like I said, I just don't know about the height of this one, whether or not it'll fit inside the box. But we'll get it taken off. I'll put it on in a bag or something like I do your other ones. So anyway, I appreciate it, Frankie, and like I said, I'll get this shipped out to you as soon as possible, man. Appreciate it. Thank you very much.